Well, you drove a boat one time.
Oh, yeah.
Tugboat or something.
Didn't drive it. I got a job with a deckhand, yeah. That's a boss tugboat.
Huh.
Tacoma there.
Uh-huh.
We had, I hang around the yards there. Well, one of my, I knew a guy from Fort Johnson that I worked for boss tugboat.
Uh-huh.
At yards, they had their own repair yards there.
Yeah.
And I hung around this one place that I signed up. You signed up for everything. I signed up as a deckhand. It finally took me out. I hung around long enough, you know. But you didn't fool nobody, you know. That day before we shipped out, then I had another guy nailing up, putting up these planks. So they didn't nail them up while they were around for a sulfur skull. Then you went to go to Alaska. You went to Alaska, got that on that one. I remember that. God, I was tired, you know. And they started out that evening. So they showed me where my bunk was now and laid down. Pretty soon the damn door ripped open. Hey, you couldn't have yanked me out of bed. The skipper said, you gotta come to bed. You gotta take turn steering. Take turn steering. And right then I chickened out. I never been aboard a tugboat. He said, well, you don't kid me. I knew that when you first stepped aboard that scow. He said, I know you're going to. He said, you're going to learn. I don't know. If he's that stupid, do I? How to do it? And then, Jesus, he slept. He said, if you meet any ships, he says, you let me know. He's up right above the wheelhouse. That's where it is. God, and they showed me stay out of the harbor. We followed the lights from Tacoma. We stay out so far. There were these lights you see, the buoy lights. And I felt like, you know, if you look on a boat, if you look off, then you're up. Or if you start looking down like that, especially if there are waves coming, it looks like you're drifting, see.
Oh.
That looked like I was drifting ashore, so I tried to turn on the wheel. A little bit on the wheel, nothing happened. I turned a little on the wheel. Pretty soon I had probably, I don't know how much I had on there. Pretty soon the down turned right around like that.
Oh, no.
Right up. Then I expected him to come on down, but I wonder if he ever saw that. Well, I got a funny guy straightened out. And he said, when you see the lights of the Port of Seattle, he says, wake me up. He's in Ingerville or something.
Yeah.
Deckhand, can't talk about, you know.
Yeah.
You got to see how now, he says, go down the galley and by there, and then he says, you can hit that. He swore a lot. And you can hit that bump.